Level ones, you are highly welcome. So on this channel, I want to teach you how to grow your YouTube channel in 2025. These are tips that are very important for you. Number one, focus on your niche. You understand? Pick one single niche. Don't post a comedy channel on this channel and also post tutorial channel and also post educational video in one same comedy. That will confuse the YouTube algorithm. You understand? YouTube will not know who to recommend your video to. But when you focus on one particular niche, like if you have a channel that is meant for comedy, just post a single video on that channel. You know, it's for comedy. Just post funny videos there. Focus on your niche. Number two, only you cannot go on YouTube. It is that you need to have a mentor. Have somebody that will mentor you. That is very important. Very important. Somebody that will mentor you on YouTube. You can't grow alone on YouTube because some people have been there for more than a long time before you came. And research has shown that experience is the best teacher. So there's somebody that knows the YouTube better than you, and there's somebody that you know it better than. So what do I say? Have a mentor, and number two is you need to have AIs that will help you do your videos like VidIQ that will help you, VidIQ TubeBuddy. You need like Canva that will create an amazing thumbnail for you. So and again, you need to learn how to title the video. So all these ones are work of AI. AI can generate all this for you perfectly. So another thing here is consistency. What do I mean by consistency is you need to be posting videos. You understand what sells on YouTube is video. When you're not posting videos on YouTube, you will not grow. Yeah, to be frank, you need to be posting, keep on posting, and focus, stay focused. Just believe this is a changing opportunity. YouTube can change your life for very good, and it will change. It has changed a lot of people's life. If a girl that has nothing doing just to carry a camera and stay in her room can make up to 2 million naira, 4 million naira in a month, then you too can do it. So don't give up. For the fact you are posting videos and it's not coming up, it's not having views, don't give up. It does not mean you'll not grow. Algorithm is studying you slowly with time. They know the right audience to upload your videos to. So that is very important. Another thing here is know when to post video. Don't joke with your YouTube studio. Try to understand your YouTube studio. Like having a better place. Like I mean your YouTube studio should be like your friend. Keep on going to your studio, check the location that you're watching your video, check when you are to post videos. There's when you post video that your audience they will not be online, and whenever your audience are not online, how are you going to get the view? So it's another important aspect of this. YouTube. Another thing is your editing has to be very good. Understand? Learn how to have a clear background, learn how to get a good editing. Even if you don't know how to edit, there are some AI that is willing to help you edit your videos. But some of them is free, some you need to pay. Which there are lots of AIs that will help you edit your video. That is that aspect. Another aspect on YouTube is either you like it or not, nothing goes for nothing. There are some AI like Canva that you need to pay. You need to pay for their this thing, for their software, which will give you what you want. To me, I believe amazing thumbnail is very important on YouTube because it's going to help you. But when you don't have an amazing thumbnail, you don't have a catchy thumbnail, bro, forget it. Because what is going to draw people's attention to you is thumbnail. And this thumbnail, it happened you don't have. So before I proceed, if this is your first time I've seen this video, please hit the subscription button and like this video and share to your friends. You understand? I want you to like this video and also subscribe so that whenever I drop any amazing video, YouTube is going to recommend it to you and you see and you learn because we have a lot of experience on this channel. So that is that aspect. Another thing here is role model is very important. Role model. What type of have you ever think what kind of niche do you want to do? Is it educational? Is it health? Is it entertainment? Is it how to just think? You understand? Think before you post a video. Try and think about that video. If I should post this video, is it gonna work for me? How is this video gonna be? Is it gonna give me? My brother, you don't give up. Consistency kill everything. It takes one amazing video that will just skyrocket you and you get to where you wanna be. So don't give up. For the fact you are making videos and it's not coming up, don't give up. I've seen a lot. And again, another thing here is short video is very important on your YouTube channel. Yes, if you are looking for subscribers, get short. Just keep on posting short and also long video at times. At least, let's say in a week or in a month, be posting 2 or 3 videos. Let's say at least 4 times in a month is very important. Do you understand? It's better than you not posting at all. Post videos, bro. So if this is your first time of seeing this video, subscribe and don't just walk away. Don't just walk away. You understand? Another thing here is you need to learn how to edit video. Try to master VDIQ. Try to master. I said VDIQ, right? Okay, try to master VDIQ. Try to master. What again? Okay, try to master a lot. There are lots like that. In short is very important. Try to master in short. Learn how to edit with in short. Learn how to edit with CapCut. These are very important. There's this background that I do have on InShot, which it helps a lot if you know you don't have ring lights. So another thing here is, do you have ring lights? Do you have tripod stand? Like this video that I'm making now, I'm using a ring light here. My phone light and my ring light. I'm not using an iPhone, but you can see how clear this video is. So it depends on what you are doing. Get a ring light. At least you can get ring light for like 15,000, and it will take you to where you want to go. And another thing is, while making a video, try make video in a silent place, no where there is noise. If I'm not mistaken, from this video that I'm making, there is no much noise. You understand? And I'm not using microphone. I'm using my mouth and I'm using my phone mouthpiece. I'm recording from my room, and this is around, let's say this is around 3 a.m. in the night. So this is very important, very very important. I'm advising you on how you grow. Don't keep quiet. Choose a niche. If it's comedy you want to do, just focus on comedy. If it's educational video, focus on your educational video. Or you can have multiple channels. You understand? Maybe you post comedy here, you can educate people in this one. You understand? It must not be one. Okay, thank you. Seeing you. I want to see you in my next video. Thank you. Once again, my name is Hamza.